Hello my dear friends, and today we continue examining Uranus in houses of horoscope. Today we'll take 3 last houses of horoscope. Uranus in 10th, 11th and 12th house of horoscope. You do remember what Uranus is. It's our revolutionary energy. It's our breaking through, just striving for knowledge, striving for future, plans for future, just destroying all the traditions and all settled rules and instructions. This is Uranus. This is the planet of freedom. This is the spirit of freedom and renovation. This is Uranus. So, if Uranus comes into 10th house of horoscope, you do remember what is 10th house of horoscope. It's our career making. It's our profession choice and striving for getting some place in hierarchy, yet to build some career. So if in the sector Uranus comes, what it brings? Of course, your Uranus spirit in every organization you are trying to work for. For example, you are joining some organization and what you are doing there, like revolutionary member, you just don't want any instructions, any rules. You try to do something different there. You try to eliminate all the rules and the order that was established long ago. So, your role, whatever organization you are joining, is to reform, to make experiments, to bring novelties into whatever they are doing. Just try to be not so abrupt and not so quick, yeah? And make all these reforms and changing in soft way, in carefully thought through way, because people don't like changes. All changes are extra work. It's difficult. Nobody wants changes. That's why, make it in soft way, make it in clever way. Otherwise, you will be just jumping up and down, and changing workplaces, changing professions even. You can't find the proper niche for you. You can't find the place of work for you suitable for you. You can't adjust to any work team. So, be clever, yeah? Be a revolutionary man, but in clever way. Do all the changes in carefully thought way, okay? Don't be like, somebody just like coming and destroying everything, okay? Like this destroying energy, and then we will bring up something new, etc. People might not want this, yeah? And they might ask you out. So, in order to have a little bit of stability at some point, at some organization that might actually suit you, please try to do this in clever way, okay? Because you are a clever person, because Uranus gives you this access to highest knowledge, so to say, yeah? And you know. So, what professions would be fantastic for you here? Of course, everything connected with IT sector, because Uranus, it's Aquarius energy, it's 11th house of horoscope energy. It's all about highest knowledge, advanced technologies, nanotechnologies, all IT, what internet can offer you, all the technologies, all the breakthrough ideas, etc., this will be fantastic. So if you come into an organization and you are IT genius and you are offering your absolutely fantastic skills, that guys, I know how to make all optimization of all your softwares and in very clever way, and profits will be this way and this way. That's the way how to do this, okay? Not just like I'm just destroying everything and I'm doing this my way. Do this in clever way, okay? So, you can go in politics, you can go in every science you can imagine, electronics, linguistic sciences, high mathematics, aircraft engineering, whatever you are doing. Please do your renovations in very clever and try at least soft way. Or you can go even in astrology. Why not? Okay, anyway, all internet resources, anything internet can offer you, you have to be the most knowledgeable person here, okay? You must get this highest level of knowledge, of professionalism in all internet can offer you, okay? Because Uranus connected to internet and all this in the 11th house of horoscope and in 10th house of horoscope gives you like a big boost of energy to go up with this knowledge on the highest position in society. Okay, you heard me. Next, Uranus in 11th house of horoscope. Uranus in his own home. It's very, very strong energy. 11th house of horoscope, it's Aquarius energy, and Uranus is the main ruler of Aquarius. It's his home, okay? And he is absolutely king there, yeah? It's very, very strong energy. You basically can be genius person and organize huge amount of people, huge number of people, and inspire them with some ideas you are cherishing, okay? So basically this Uranus gives you such power that you can organize any non-standard team, organization, like spiritual group of people, or even new religious cult, whatever you can organize and inspire big number of people. So yes, you have this insights inside of you. You have phenomenal intuition. You see the future. You have insights of this future. What we have to change now in order to reach this new ideals in future. You know this, and you have all the power to organize people around your ideas, about your ideology, to contaminate them with your ideology, with your ideas. You have this power here, yeah? So if you go into politics, into some non-standard organization creation, you can do this. You can organize people around you. Yes, you look at friendship a little bit, you are looking for ideal friendship, yeah? You're bright, intelligent, and very extravagant person yourself, yeah? And you want to communicate with the same level of people, yeah? But you sometimes a little bit distant, yeah? And you can have a lot of follows, but you might have only like few friends or even no real friends at all. So you can organize the huge masses of people, but you might have only 1-2 friends actually. Well, what else? You might have this type of Uranus character friends who are original, who love to surprise people, who are making epatage, non-standard, strange, weird things that nobody can understand, or experiment in some field or whatsoever. These are all your type of friends, yeah? You might have these friends, these weirdos, in a good way, in a high intellectual way, yeah? Well, what else? In minus, you have a little bit of strange things happening in your love affairs, okay? You are all for other people, but your close relationship here are suffering, so you might have a little bit of like difficulties in making your love life stable here as well. And also children, because 11th house of horoscope, it's like opposition to 5th house of horoscope. So 5th house of it's our children, 11th is different children. So anyway, you might have difficult relationship with children or your lovers. And then minus also, I mean, if Uranus has hard aspects from other planets, it might give you betrayal of your friends. So be aware of this and be vigilant about this. Okay, we are moving next. Uranus and 12th house of horoscope. What is 12th house? it's our subconscious. It's our mystic stuff, so to say, mystery, yeah? We don't want to show what inside of us, who we are. We want to play games. We don't want to be seen or whatsoever. And also it's fantastic intuition. It's an open channel to spiritual world, to parallel worlds, to God, or whoever you believe in, okay? So, Uranus there, there is no any borders around 12th house of horoscope, and Uranus even erasing any kind of borders which might exist at all, so there is no borders with your subconscious and parallel worlds. So basically, it's an open canal, open channel between your subconscious, your inside, and knowledge up there. So insights and all this information from outside of our world comes to you in your dreams. And if you can develop this gift into fantastic, I don't know, like controlling your dreams, you can order any information from there through your dreams. For example, I want the answer to this question. I'm getting this answer in my dream, and you can go asleep and you get any information from there. That's how it works. You have to work on this because it's a very fantastic gift from universe, and it's not for no reason you are getting this gift. You have to use this. You have to work with this. You have to develop this talent in order to help other people, yeah? Because it's unlimited source of information from there, okay? And you can get answers to absolutely any question, okay? You might have colored dreams. You might have insights. You might just see the future, what is going to happen or whatsoever. You can work with prognostic. 11th house of horoscope, by the way, is the same. You can work for prognostics. You can see the information, what is going to be in future. And if you go in research of what your subconscious can do and what the gift it is in front of you, you might get really, really, really fantastic results here. You have absolutely fabulous, absolutely phenomenal intuition. You just see people, aura around people, all the information on their magnetic field around them. You can see, you can read, you can feel. You have more senses open than any just normal person, so to say, yeah? You might be absolutely genius if you make researches in non-traditional medicine. This field is not searched properly yet, and there are so many things you can open there. How to help people with non-traditional medicine, with not like your things without our traditional methods of curing, okay? Anyway, your destiny here is to dig into magic, occult, esoteric sciences, non-traditional medicine. Just dig, dig, dig. You can work with hypnosis, like regressive hypnosis. You can be psychologist, parapsychologist, whatever you are doing. I mean, in all the field of spiritual development, it will be absolutely fantastic because Uranus gives you, you know, opening the doors for you to any information which was maybe secret or cemented 100 years, thousands of years ago, okay? The only but, if you don't do this, yeah? If you don't develop this talent, this gift from the universe, you might have this constant feeling of anxiety, or happening some situations, shocking might be situations which are out of your control, okay? So some things will happen in your life. They will be pushing you into understanding. I have to develop this gift. I have to dig in this occult sciences, etc., etc. I listed above, before. So, if you don't do esoteric occult sciences, etc., etc., you will have some strange, shocking situations in your life. I don't want even to name them, okay? Or you might have some strange nervous diseases, like, you know, whatever nervous system might give you, but these diseases might not be explained even by doctors or whatsoever. So, in order to avoid all this, yeah, go where I told you to go and develop this gift, okay? Develop this talent. You have to make it in use for other people, okay? Anyway, of course you want to find your way, because you can't tolerate any rules or restrictions of society, community, or whatever. You want sometimes like self-isolate from society. You want your niche. You want your world around you that nobody can actually get you there, and you are free to do what you want to do in life. So all the society restrictions, you don't want to obey any, yeah? So you might choose the way how to find for yourself some niche that you will be self-isolated from other people. It will be your desire, yeah? So people are not intruding in some very special areas for you, yeah? Also, in minus, this Uranus might give you that some of your secrets that you want to be hidden from others might go public, okay? So be aware of this, yeah? And if you want to hide something that nobody might even have a hint about this, okay? Cement this in proper way, so to say, yeah? This is what Uranus in 12th house of horoscope. Well, my dears, next we will go into examining Pluto and examining Neptune. Please stay with me, share these fantastic videos with other people. Astrology is a powerful instrument that you can control these energies, but first you have to know them, right? And with me, you know this the best, because I give you just the squeezed information from many resources I dug through, and I graduated from courses and School of Astrology. So I'm just telling you, please share this video so more people know how we can use this knowledge to make our life happier, okay? It gives you this power in your hands to rule these energies, okay? So please share this video with people you know. And if you have any suggestions to make changes into this video format or whatsoever, please do this. I have some ideas already coming, and yes, I will find a way how to make some changes into my videos. And if you want like separate moon and sun information in natal chart, I mixed these two knowledges, information about moon and sun in one video, because our lights, they are working actually together and they're entwined, and we are switching on one and switching off the other one, like changing them all the time, sometimes several times per day. That's why I made them together. But yes, if you want them separately, I will do this separate videos. Everything about sun and switching on the sun, everything about moon and relaxing the moon with some hard aspects. Yes, I will do this, okay? I will do this. The only but is holidays coming, so I will be more busy with my son, so I apologize that videos won't be so frequent now, yeah? But in September it will go in normal speed. Okay, my dears, thank you for watching me. Have a wonderful day. Have fantastic luck, good luck in everything what you are doing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.